Volkswagen came up with a new compact sport utility and a new name for it, Tiguan, which they made up. Rolls off the tongue like peanut butter. So, what's to like? What's to bag on? It comes with a 200 horsepower 2-liter turbo and 6-speed automatic transmission. VDUP says synthetic oil means no 5,000-mile oil change. Likable, and it gets 24 miles per gallon highway. It moves surprisingly well between the cones, weaving in and out like somebody weaving something. Top speed is limited to 130 miles per hour, seriously cramping the style of the drunken and suicidal. Inside seems very nice for the money. Materials feel good, all windows express down and up. And for $1,200, you get a nav, satellite radio system with Sirius and basic iPod input. We like the almost 13 square feet of sunroof. We like the tilt telescope steering wheel. Let's bag on the electric parking brake. It only works when the key is in, and the foot brake has to be on to activate it, so you can't even yank it on the fly. Also, should an emergency backup system be electric? We like the vent in the glove box. We like the AC, but don't get fooled by the little button. It doesn't do anything. We like the computer and settings, like the winter tire speedometer compensation, but don't think it would be fun to change it to some exotic language, because you'll really get scared when you have a hard time changing it back to a language more than 2 people speak. Off-road, it barely passed over our wash, but it did. You can drive it too fast on dirt and still feel alright. On our big twisty, it tried and looked good doing it, but couldn't get up. We're blaming those 130 mile per hour tires. Back down in disgrace, compact utility vehicle, back to asphalt. Cargo area is likable, with power supply, tie downs, and mystery side compartment. And check it out, the ever rare spare. Base price $23,200 is likable, and loaded $32,940 is likable if you make more money than we do.